Hello everyone. Arthur Fraser, who is the former National Commissioner of Correctional Services, has exposed more information on Phala Phala saga that might end Cyril Ramaphosa's political career. According to Sunday Independent, the investigator, whose name is known to the publication, allegedly met his handlers who are based in Johannesburg, in Gqeberha, in Eastern Cape, where he was allegedly told how to deal with the investigations involving Cyril Ramaphosa and his close associates. While it's not clear whether the two men, whose names were not revealed, acted on their own accord or they were sent by Cyril Ramaphosa himself to meet with the public protector investigator. These are some of the allegations contained in Arthur Fraser's response to the public protector's office that was submitted last week. Fraser wrote, "This issue, squarely and frontally, without attacking investigators' integrity, I deemed it prudent that we are open and frank with each other. Such integrity will ensure that this investigation doesn't become yet another scandalous exercise in subterfuge and its report. Yet another sinister document designed to pull the wool over society's eyes. The truth is a stubborn stain. I simply laid criminal charges against President Cyril Ramaphosa and requested that the Directorate for Priority Crime Investigation to investigate the matter. I deemed it my legal and constitutional obligation to lay criminal charges against President Cyril Ramaphosa. I did not do it lightly or for any self-aggrandizement. The charges are neither banal or trivial. I undertook to assist the Office of the Public Protector insofar as my assistance will not compromise the criminal investigation pending before the DPCI. I therefore furnish you with information that I have been advised does not carry with it the risk of compromising the criminal investigation." Fraser also explained in his response that the public protector investigators insinuated that his reporting of this crime may have something to do with the ANC National Conference, which is to be held in December 2022. He said, "I was left with the perception that you regarded me as an accused rather than a whistleblower, and you sought to elevate this motive above the imperative to investigate the alleged criminal and unethical conduct of President Ramaphosa." Arthur also revealed that in his response that the unlawful investigation into the theft of millions of dollars at the president's farm in Phala Phala on February 9, 2020 proceeded until June or July 2021. He also stated, "It is during this period that I became aware of the burglary and the unlawful storage of money in the president's residence. Even at this stage, I still had to verify the information given to me about the crime. It would have been remiss of me to lay a charge before verifying the information received from sources. I reiterate that unlike a burglary, keeping large sums of money is an ongoing offense and can't be limited to one day or incident." The Sunday Independent has its own high authority that the Hawks investigation have recommended to NPA that all police officers that were involved in the clandestine investigation with Rude should be charged because they abused state resources, including traveling, accommodation, and use of state grabber to trace and ping the suspects. The Office of the Public Protector is yet to release its report on the Phala Phala farm investigation, while Ramaphosa is facing possible impeachment in Parliament for allegedly breaching Section 96 of Constitution and the Code of Ethics prescribed by the executive members as ethics on the same matter. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.